You are welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be solving question on principle of tangent, question number 4. So we have this object. As you can see, this center and the end of this object, they are 65 apart, and it has a curved part here which is radius 20, another curved part tangentially connected to this curved part of 20, which is also radius 60. So the two of them are connected, and if you look at it, if you complete this circle now, you notice that this circle and this circle, they are touching externally. No one is inside of the other one. They are internally touching. When by the time you complete the two circles, one circle is inside of the other circle. But in this case, the two circles are, none of them is inside of anyone, so it means they are externally connected. And when they are externally connected, you join with, you add their radar. So let us start from this center first, from the base. I want to measure my line, which is 65. I'll draw a line which is 65. I'll measure 65, picking this point. I'll measure 65. 65 is here. This 65 is here. Now at that point of 65, I'll draw a vertical line. This vertical line passing through the center, so I can draw the circle. I'll draw a vertical line. Then if you look at it again, this vertical line is passing through the center of this curved part here, and the radius of this curved part is 20. So that means I'll need to measure 20 from that point. I'll measure 20 upward. This is my 20. So at that point, I'll now draw my circle. I'll draw my circle of radius 20. Since here to here is 20, I'll just put my pin at this point and extend it to touch this bottom like this, and draw the circle. I have to draw the circle with thin line. Don't make it too thick. Not touching very well. Not touching very well. It must touch the bottom. It must touch the bottom. So what it means is that it's not up to 20. Yes, I think this is better. Yes, this is better. So now you notice that this part and this part are touching externally. So the radius of this one, the center of where this curve part of 60 is touching this one, you have to add this one and this one. That is the 60 and 20 together to get the center of this radius 60. So when you add it together, it will give you 80. So let me measure 80. 80 will be here. So I'll now stay at this center and mark arc with radius 80. Now, to determine the other part that you use to get the center, you also know that this circle here, this curved part here, is connected to this point. Let's assume the center of this arc is somewhere here, and it is 60. Now this same arc from here to this same arc is 60. From here to this same arc, this point is 60, because the arc is getting up to the end of this straight line here. So that means here to here is also 60. So you need to measure 60 from here, stay here and mark arc above. That will give you the center. So I'll measure 60. I'll measure 60 like this. So I'll stay at the bottom here and mark the arc. So that will be the center of that arc that is connecting them. Because it is straight line, that's why I'm measuring exactly that radius of this arc. A straight line connected to straight line connected to an arc. So I need to measure the real radius of the arc from the straight line to get the center. So that's what I've done there. So I'll now use the radius of 60 to now draw the arc. This is 60 that I've measured already. So I just put it here like this, and I'll draw. So we make it thick now. Yeah, that is it. So I can come here and thicken this one. I'll make this one too thick. I'll make it thick. Make it thick. Then the straight line too, that the tangential line too should be thick line. So that is the solution to question number 4. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.